My objective is to create 2 seat side rails, one for the left, one for the right, that have a thickness of 1 1/8 inches. I have previously prepped my pieces and they are ready for glue. I am setting up my clamps about 8 inches apart. Any pencil marks are facing out so that I am making sure to apply glue to my good sanded surface. And I am wanting to glue my seat rail pieces together, but not the 2 rails together. With everything set up, we want to spread the glue across the entire surface of each workpiece. We then want to flip up each workpiece and clamp it together very gently, adding additional clamps, clamping it gently again, and then slowly snugging all of the clamps, making sure that the pieces haven't shifted on us. When everything is clamped up, we can wipe the glue with wet paper towel. We can then set that out of the way for 24 hours.